So hey guys, today we're going to be refilling my BMW 6-speed transmission out of my E90 right here. As you can see, we're rebuilding it. If that interests you, subscribe, go check out my other videos. But for today, I'm just going to show you how to refill the transmission fluid or change the transmission fluid on your E90. So first thing you need to look at is there's a little sticker right here that will say MTF LT2 or LT3, and it'll have a part number. You want to make sure that this has the correct, you're grabbing the correct fluid, because I had the wrong fluid once and I screwed up.
Flashback.
Well, that looks clear, but it does look pretty dark. So this is what came out of it. It doesn't smell burnt or look burnt, but definitely we're gonna replace it with that and we'll be good to go. You know, that golden brown transmission fluid, that stuff's definitely, definitely worn out after 10 years. So hopefully this makes it shift a lot smoother, especially in the cold.
End of flashback.
So first thing you need to look at is there's a little sticker right here that will say MTF LT2 or LT3, and it'll have a part number. You want to make sure that this has the correct, you're grabbing the correct fluid, because I had the wrong fluid once and I screwed up, couldn't really shift very well. It was not good. So if you're changing it out, there's a drain plug under here. Of course, you're probably doing this in your car. There's the drain plug right there. Right there. I think it takes a 10-bit. I'm gonna check what that actually takes. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna undo this one first. It's on the right side of the transmission. It's a, what is it? Yeah, it's an 8mm, not a Torx, hexagon head. You're gonna undo your fill plug first, because what ends up happening is sometimes you can get the drain plug off but not the fill plug, and then you're stuck, trying to put vice grips on here or something, and that's not good. Always take off the fill first and then take off the drain. So since you'll be probably doing this under the car, my car takes this MTF LT3 transmission fluid. You'll want to get one of these pumps. It's really convenient. They're about $10 at an auto parts store. Let's just pull this out. And you're going to stick that in your bottle of fluid and you're going to pump it into here. Now, from what I read, it takes about 1.2 liters. So I have 2 bottles of this stuff. That's the old fluid actually. This is the new fluid. I'm just going to top it up because I had one of my seals blow out here and that was not good. I lost a bunch of fluid, so let's see how much fluid this needs. I'm just going to level the transmission, do this on a level surface so you can get the right amount in. We're going to loosen this fill plug. We're going to fill it up with transmission fluid until it leaks out, and then we're going to tighten it back down. Well, according to this, it's full, which doesn't make any sense. Alright, so I filled this up, putting the drain plug back in. We'll torque it down, put a bit of pressure on it, and this thing's ready to go back in the car. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.